Come on. The next one we're going to do, we'll continue with the yen pairs. Now I want to take it in the weakness. So the next weakest one was the Aussie. So we're going to take the Aussie yen. And this was the plan for the Aussie yen from last week. We were going to go short below 77.50, and we already had a structural show point at 76.90. We are now trading below the structure point from last week and below our selling point. We are now at 76.27, 26.72. So even though we had the push back up, everything is still negative. And this is what you want to see from the charts. You want to see the prices break from a structure point, which is the 80.55, comes down to the next structure, which is the 76.97, stop, breaks again to the structure, goes to the next one, which is the 74.75, stops, and now it bounces back up. It goes up to the high of the 76.90, which is 5 pips away from that old structure, which is the 76.97, and it stops. So this is just moving exactly as if you have a roadmap for it, from one structure point down to the next, down to the next, and then when it snaps back up, it snaps from that lower structure point to the previous one, and it stops. And that's what you want to see. That is, so therefore we're going to plan our trade. We are now sitting at 76.73. We have a structure point at 76.97, so there is no reason for us to even touch this from the long side unless it gets above 76.97. So we're going to buy this if it gets 76.97. It is our long point. It is our structural long point, and of course it's going to be our stop. Okay, that's from the long side. On the short side, which we want to take a short because we want to take it in the same direction. So we're going to look at the intraday chart, and just by looking at it you can see that you have an intraday kind of momentum. This here is now your little structure. So if you want to go short, pretty much this is your short point. So below the 75 right there, that is anything over here, it is kind of still holding. So we're going to short below 75.94. So your short is going to be $75.94. That is your short. And if you're going to short it right there, you're going to short it below the short over here, then our stop is going to be right above those two daily highs, which is the 76.36. Okay, and our structure short point is the 74, which we have from the daily chart, 74.75. So for the Aussie yen, we're going to buy above 76.97. It is going to be our structure long point and our stop. On the short side, we're going to go short below 75.94. If I do, I have a structure short point below it at 74.75, and my stop is going to be the 76.36. Okay, that is the Aussie yen. Let me save that.